Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 GMC Sierra K1500 Denali. Sounds smooth. This one does have the LED headlight surrounds. The refresh rate of the camera makes them look like they flicker, but they don't to the human eye. This one does have alloy wheels and power running boards that come down when you open the doors. This has the steps and the bumper. See, that does have spray-on bed liner, power sliding back window, tow package. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. There's those running boards right there I was talking about. A shot of the VIN. This one does have a Bose sound system. There's your trailering settings. And your 2- and 4-wheel drive right there. You got your heated steering wheel, cruise control, push to talk, your other toggles for your infotainment and trip computer. See that this vehicle has 14,889 miles. Just come over here. Here's your entertainment center with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And look at your navigation. There you go. Or to your backup camera. Pop it in reverse. Okay, come down. You also have a disc drive right there as well. Your comfort controls, including cooled and heated seats. Your additional controls, your additional power supplies. Come down here, you've got your stowage, cup holders, phone charger, and additional power supplies and stowage right there. If you come up top, you're going to have your standard map reading lights, and then your sunroof as well. So that about wraps it up for the Sierra Denali. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an accident and sustained damage here to the front driver's quarter panel, the middle, and the passenger's front quarter panel as well. The airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage, so we were able to get everything all fixed up, and it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.